In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email groups in Microsoft Outlook. This is a fantastic way to organize your contacts and streamline your communication, whether it's for work, a club, or any other group activity. Let's walk through each step together to ensure you're set up and ready to go. First, you'll need to open up Microsoft Outlook. If you're not already on the platform, navigate over to the official Microsoft Outlook website or open the Outlook app on your device. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign-in option at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Next, enter your email address and password to log into your account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to use the one where you want to create your email groups. Once you're signed in, take a look at the Outlook interface. You'll see a variety of options, but for this tutorial we're going to focus on the people section. This is where all your contacts are housed, and it's key to setting up your groups. Now locate and click on the people icon, usually found in the bottom left section of the Outlook menu. This action takes you to your contacts page. Once you're there, you might notice a drop down arrow next to the new contact button. This drop down is crucial for our next step. Click on it to reveal additional options. From the drop down, select new contact list. This is the option that allows you to create a group of contacts all neatly collected under one contact list. Think of this as building a special address book inside your Outlook account, tailored specifically for your group communications. Once you've selected new contact list, you'll need to give your list a name. It can be anything that helps you identify the group. For example, if you're creating a group for a weekly book club meeting, you might name it Book Club Mavens. Naming is important for keeping everything organized and easy to find later. After naming your list, it's time to populate it with members. You'll see an option to add a member. Click on this and begin typing in the email addresses of people you want to include in your group. You can add as many members as needed, ensuring everyone involved in your communications is easily reachable. Finally, once you've added all your desired contacts, you'll see the Create button. Click on it to finalize and save your new contact list. And there you have it, a convenient and organized way to manage your email groups in Outlook. Creating email groups in Outlook can dramatically improve your efficiency and ensure that your communication flows smoothly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are now confident in setting up your email groups. Thanks for watching and have a great day.